Next, select Company Holidays from the Company menu and begin adding holidays using the green New button. Holidays are considered when FlightSpan Ops creates automated schedules such as maintenance events. Set the name and date of the holiday. If there is more than one day, enter the additional days. If the holiday happens every year, check the Recurring Holiday box. Additional fields will appear so you can set holidays that do not happen on a fixed date each year. Use company holidays to create non-holiday events such as a safety stand down that will affect all aircraft and/or staff. Now select Company Work Shifts from the Company menu and add shifts using the green New button. Select the days of the week and crew types and set the start and end times. Work shifts are used by FlightSpan Ops for computing how much calendar time will be needed for maintenance events.